Welcome to this video on pages and modules in the BIZUIT Dashboard. Today, we'll take a closer look at how these components shape your workspace and help users access the tools they need in an intuitive and efficient way. In this video, we'll learn how to navigate and configure pages and modules in the BIZUIT Dashboard. Each default page in BIZUIT Dashboard is designed to give users quick access to key information, such as reports, queries, KPIs, process analytics, or daily task lists. BIZUIT Dashboard also lets you create custom pages, adapting the interface to suit your team's specific needs. To create a new page, simply assign it a title and a name. You can set the page as public or restrict access to specific users or groups, either for viewing or editing. Every page allows you to define its layout using rows and columns. Each cell can be configured with a module that provides specific content or functionality. You can add modules like task lists, audit trails, analytics, charts, reports, or key performance indicators, KPIs. Even third-party components using BIZUIT's extensibility features. Each module includes its own configuration options, allowing for fine-tuned customization. This flexibility empowers users to tailor each page to their workflow, boosting productivity and usability. With these options, every team can optimize their workspace to match their specific needs.